Hello everyone, I'm Chelsea with Nourish for Life, and today I'm going to talk to you about caffeine and POTS. So this tends to be a hot topic. People love their caffeine, and of course, if you're diagnosed with POTS, it might be one of the things that your doctor talks to you about, and certainly I think that it is something you should discuss with your doctor. Caffeine can have a couple of things that you should be aware of if you are someone with POTS. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system. It can increase blood pressure and heart rate, which could be an issue, especially if you have hyperadrenergic POTS. You want to be careful about that. Caffeine also can cause GI irritation. It can contribute to insomnia and feelings of nervousness. This can be an issue with a lot of POTS patients. Tend to have trouble sleeping or difficulty getting restful sleep, and of course having an elevated heart rate all the time can contribute to symptoms of feeling overstimulated or sort of that nervousness type feeling. So those are some things you want to consider if you have POTS with caffeine. Another important consideration is that caffeine is a diuretic, so it encourages our kidneys to release more fluid. And as most POTS patients are struggling to increase their fluid intake and increase their fluid retention to increase their blood volume, this can work against that goal. So it is something that should be considered. One of the most important things that your doctor should talk to you about is your individual tolerance. Some people with POTS immediately, know that if they have caffeine, it makes them feel worse. Some people with POTS, especially if they have migraines, might do better with caffeine with their medications. It just can really depend on the person and what your individual tolerance is. It's important to keep an eye on your heart rate and blood pressure, especially if you're not used to having caffeine and then you start having it. But again, I recommend discussing this with your healthcare team before you make that decision. I hope this is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.